How to freeze rows on Excel. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can freeze rows and columns using Excel. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is simply open up your Excel Microsoft, and if you want to create a new document, a new sheet, then you can of course go ahead and do that. Once you open up your office, right here you will get, and you can just create a blank one. But I will be working on this sheet right here, which is for my work, and I was working on it. Then I realized that I need to freeze a column or a row. Now, what is freezing a column and a row means? It simply means that I will be able to freeze one of the row. Let's say that I have this one right here, which is like branch, and you can see that the branch is for like same for everybody, or maybe this one right here, like employee, firm name, and everything. So you want to, when we scroll down, you can see that it vanishes away, and I want to keep this one, this row. I want to freeze this one so that this one does not move when we scroll down or we go down into our list. So my list actually continues, and I will have more added here, but right now I have this list. So it is a big problem for you if you have like a way too long list, and we have like thousands of entries right here, we have hundreds of entries, so it becomes a real problem. So don't worry, I'll show you how to do that. So what we have to do is, first, these are columns. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, and then we have these rows. So I will show you how to freeze a column and a row. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to select a cell, or you can select both row and column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to freeze this one. So I'm going to select this one right here. This is like our cell, and this is for branch. Now we have this. What I want you guys to do is simply go to view right here at the top of your screen. So here we have our panel bar, the one we get for Excel. We have file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, and then we have view option. So in view, we actually get a lot of different views, and we have like, add a new view option, zoom in, zoom out option. And here we have freeze option. So click on freeze. Now we have three types of freeze available on Excel. So I will show you one by one these three freeze. So the first one is freeze first column, freeze top row, freeze panes. Now, if I want to select something and customize my own freezing, because here it will just freeze the top row or just the first column. But if you want to go with panes, for example, you want to freeze rows and columns as well at the same time, then you can just go to the first option. So I'm going to apply the first option first to show you. So I have applied this one right here, and now these are frozen, like these column and these rows. Now, if I scroll down, these will be frozen right here. So now we have frozen these two right here. Moving on, if I go to view again, so I actually wanted to show you how to freeze a row. Now you just have to select a row. So I'm gonna just like select this one, first one, go to freeze panel. I'm gonna unfreeze this one, click on freeze top row. And now it has been frozen. You can see right here that it has like a dark line. And now if I scroll down, you can see it's not moving. We have our first row right here. We have employee, firm name. So this will actually be a very good reference when you're like very down in your list. You will be able to see that, okay, name, then we have last name, roles, and branch. So this is how it works right here. And we have frozen a row. This is how you can do as well. This is the one that people look for, and this is the one that we wanted. So this is really, helpful, and we can just now scroll down and go down into our list. We have frozen a row, and now it will be there. So moving on, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna freeze a column for you guys. So we will simply go to the freeze option, and then we have freeze first column. So now what we can do is we can freeze the first column. So I'm just gonna click on freeze first column, and there you go. Now my column has been frozen right here. So if I move, you will be able to see that it will be frozen, and I cannot now, change it a bit. And it's really helpful when you have like same thing. Now you cannot really see the difference that it's frozen because I have different data added. But let's say that I had added the same data in the row as well, right? So what it will do is it will froze the row for me, and it will not move when I will scroll down on, or when I will go down. It will just have the same data, and I will be able to, get more information. And it's really helpful for us when we want to get information, and it's really handy. So I'm gonna again freeze the first row because this is the one that I wanted, because I will be adding more information later. And what I need to do is I will be adding more data later, and I want to keep in check that what I'm adding in what column. And now I can just easily go down, and now you can see I have an idea that okay, this is our name, we have rows, and we have other things, and I will be able to do it very easily. You can also go ahead and freeze your columns or your panes anytime you like. And now I will show you how to unfreeze one. So let's say that you have frozen a panes, then how to unfreeze them. Well, it's super easy. For example, you have frozen the first row, so we know how to freeze, right? You just click on freeze and it's frozen. Now to unfreeze, you will simply go back to view. Even if now I'm on home, I will have to go back to view, and then we will go to freeze option, and then we will see if we had added any of these different options, such as a freeze top row, freeze column. So we will find like unfreeze option right here. So click on just unfreeze, and it will unfreeze any column or any row that you had frozen. And this way you will be able to get back to your default view. But I would suggest doing the first one, and you can froze this one, and then you can just create your professional sheet on Microsoft Excel. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. And now you know how to freeze rows and columns using Microsoft Excel and create professional sheets and enter your data. This becomes really handy if you are a virtual assistant or if you deal with Excel on daily basis. If you didn't have any idea how to do so, now you know how to freeze a row or a column. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below. Turn on bell notifications so that you will be notified every time we post a brand new video. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel.